Hey everyone, Ed at R U Cars. Today we've got this 2009 59 registered Honda Accord. It's a 2.2 diesel. It's the ES GT model, finished in burn silver. It's done 77,000 miles, 10 services, and this thing is immaculate. We've done no paint, no touch-ups, just a quick wash and clean. Very happy to be able to offer this one. Drives incredibly well. Being the GT, it's got the nice bumper lip, the black headlights, the 17-inch 5-spoke alloys, which are all in excellent condition. The bodywork is fantastic. You will, of course, find the odd mark here and there, but considering the age of this vehicle, absolutely nothing worth mentioning. Burning silver is a dark silver. It's really nice. The wheel arches are all original, look. No rust. I cannot explain just how well this car drives. There's your reg number for any checks that you wish to carry out. Now that is a private number plate. It is included within the car, but it is a 59 plate originally. You can always remove that number plate if you buy the car and you want to put it back on the original 59. It's got reverse camera, no parking sensors, just reverse camera. That's pretty typical of the Honda. It's got the nav, premium audio. And just as we're going around, I'm sure you'll agree, it's superb. All really, really good. Loads of service history. It's got 10 services with it. Comes with an MOT warranty, etc. But it's had recent brakes, the tyres are all good. Properly looked after bit of kit. Inside is pristine. The boot's all clean and tidy. No funny smells, and it has got the split folding rear seats. I think this one's got a spare wheel, let me check. No spare wheel, but you've got your compressor and all your kit there. In case you do get a flat. You've even got a shopping bag or something there, look, we've missed that. Comes free, we won't charge you for that. Inside, it's got the black leather and cloth, again typical to the ES GT model. Quite difficult to photograph, it does sometimes make them look dirty, but I can assure you they are not. We've got Isofix in the back, electric windows, armrest, and 3 proper seat belts. In the front, again, the part leather, all in super condition. Honestly, you won't find a better one of these. Got your 3-spoke GT steering wheel, electric windows all around, folding mirrors. Bluetooth, cruise control, all on your multifunction steering wheel. Climate control, stereo, but let's just start the car. Show you there's no warnings. So there you go, no nasties, no warnings, 77,304 miles, just under half a tank of diesel as well. As I mentioned earlier, we have got the navigation system up the top, and your radio with your CD, auxiliary, FM radio. I'm not very good with tech, so I'll just leave it there, but it's all there. Your dual climate control, which is icy cold. CD changer in the dash with the premium audio. 6-speed gearbox. All the centre console is perfect. USB, etc. inputs in the glove box or the centre armrest. Reverse camera, which is a super clear picture. Handbooks all in the glove box. Sunglasses holder up the top there. No shades, I'm afraid. And that is about your lot. You will not find a better Accord than this. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.